Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows, then watch this video. So it's very easy folks, just click on this panel here and then you click on the arrow next to the Bluetooth and then make sure Bluetooth is turned on and it will automatically detect for new devices. If you want to go to the Bluetooth settings, then click on more Bluetooth settings and then you can check the settings here for the cameras and the mouse, and also you can click add new device from here to click on Bluetooth and it will automatically detect the device which also has Bluetooth on. Now if you cannot find this icon, then what you need to do is if you cannot find this icon here, what you need to do is click the pen icon here and then click on add, and then you need to add Bluetooth and then click done. But I do not have it in this list because Bluetooth is already added to my panel. So if it's not, then you can add it and click on done, and that should do the trick. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.